Well, it's All Saints' Day, and here we are at the old church in Walesby, and we've got the bells ringing for the first time in All Saints' Church since the lockdown started in March. Actually, thinking back, I think it's probably the first time they've rung since the carol service last December, and it's great to hear them ring again, and thanks to the ringers for coming up on such a blustery day. We are, as many of you know, starting a new period of lockdown, and churches after today will be closed for the next 4 Sundays, it looks like, which is a shame, but I suppose in some ways we've got to get on top of this virus and make things good for everybody else as we work towards getting rid of it. All Saints' Day is the day when we think about all the people in the world that have done great things for each other, great things for God, great things for their faith. And we celebrate them, however big or small those acts of goodness and kindness have been. So, just a short message today as I meet you here at All Saints Church in Walesby, listening to these bells chiming out. And thank you for all those people who have been really encouraging as we walk through this period of lockdown and unwinding and back into lockdown again as we try to keep ourselves together as a church in these difficult times, supporting people beyond us, of course, as well. So, short message, look after yourselves. Hopefully I will get something back on the website over the next few weeks, and as we start to walk towards Advent then and Christmas, then maybe we can be loosening off a little bit and start to think about celebrations of the birth of Christ. But in the meantime, just listen to a few more of these chimes of these bells as we enjoy these chimes which have not rung out over this village for nearly a year. Enjoy.